What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. So as I said before, I'm going to try my best to come back to YouTube because I know I was off for like 3 weeks. But yeah, as I said before, if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, please do so at 95 shoots. I'll throw it up right here so you guys can see. Right there is where I answer a lot of you guys' questions if I don't get to you guys here on YouTube. And a question that I've been getting a lot lately is, how do you thread your yarn? Now, this may be super easy, but to others, you know, they're new, so they don't know. So I thought I'd do a video that's super simple and just explain to you guys how I thread my yarn into my tufting gun. My method is, let's just say it's just cheap. Honestly, it's just cheap. So this is what it is. So this here is just some really thin wire. Now you may ask, how does this work? So this was my mom's idea when I asked her if she had like something to help me thread it. So this comes from the grocery store. So this is from the cilantro. So you know when like the freaking, so you know like when the vegetables or the fruits are wrapped up, you know they're wrapped up and they're like twisted up. So basically this one came specifically from cilantro, and all I did was basically just peel it off. And when you peel it off, you get exposed to that wire. Now that wire is this. So what I did, I just folded it, and then I just grabbed my yarn, insert it through there, grab my tufting gun, insert through there, insert through there, pull it through, and then release that, and there you go. Super simple, super easy. So yeah, in case you guys didn't know, and instead of just buying something, because I know there's something out there that's similar to this. I don't know what it's called. I've seen people use it, but I just thought, why not just go the super cheap route? Honestly, you could even just get these for free at the grocery store. Just walk in there, grab one, take off the paper, and you'll get exposed to this little wire. Fold it and do as I did, and then you should be good. So yeah, in case you guys didn't know, now you guys know. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below what other videos you guys want me to do next. Yeah, I do want to let you guys know before this video is over that I do still have some rugs still for sale. I do have my Worn Lotus / Laker rug. I do have the Weekend / Blown rug. I do have the Boys in the Hood rug. I do have the Dennis Rodman rug. And my commissions are open. So if you want to get a commissioned rug by me, message me on Instagram at 95 shoots. Or as I said before, if you guys have any questions, feel free to message me there. Yeah. Oh, one more thing. Hold on, give me a second. Check this out. Check this out. So this here is a cut pile gun, and this here is a loop pile gun. My little brother got a loop pile tufting gun, so I might do some videos on how to do rugs off a loop pile gun. So if you guys are interested in videos that will be specifically for loop pile guns, let me know in the comments below, and I will definitely start on that soon. And I'll also possibly do some videos of me explaining to him how to use a tufting gun. Now, I think those videos would be very beneficial for those of you who are getting into this tufting stuff. So if you guys definitely want to see that, let me know in the comments below. As I said before, it's all about engagement. So as I see these likes numbers go up or the comments sections go up, it definitely encourages me to create these videos for you guys. So please do so. Follow me on Instagram, comment down below, like my video. And last but not least, don't forget to subscribe. We're almost at 4,000 subscribers. If you guys have been following me from the beginning, you guys will remember that I started off with about 1,050, and now we're close to 4,000. So kind of do want to get to that 4,000 mark really soon. So if you guys haven't subscribed, please do so. And with that being said, I think I'm done. And yeah, peace.